In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch controller with your TV step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Connecting a Nintendo Switch to a TV enhances the gaming experience with a larger screen and better visuals, making multiplayer sessions more enjoyable. It also allows players to fully utilize the console's hybrid capabilities for both portable and docked gameplay. To connect your Nintendo Switch to a TV, start by setting up the dock. Open the back cover of the dock, where you'll find ports for the AC adapter, USB, and HDMI out. Plug the AC adapter into its port in the dock, then connect the other end to a power outlet. Next, take the HDMI cable and insert one end into the HDMI out port of the dock and the other into an available HDMI port on your TV. With the dock ready, slide the Nintendo Switch console into it, ensuring the screen faces forward and the connectors at the bottom align correctly with the dock's interface. Once the console is in place, turn on your TV and select the HDMI input that matches the port where the dock is connected. If you want to play with detached controllers, slide the Joy-Cons off the sides of the console. Finally, power on the console using the power button on the Switch or by pressing any button on the Joy-Con or Pro controller. If everything is set up correctly, the Nintendo Switch display will appear on your TV and you're ready to start gaming. If issues arise, check all connections and ensure the correct input is selected. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.